everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on health and wellness tips. Today, we're talking about something we can all relate to: mood. Whether you're feeling a little low or just want a natural boost, there are foods that can actually help. That's right, you can eat your way to a better mood. In this video, I'll share with you 7 amazing foods that can lift your spirits and improve your mental well-being. Let's jump right in. Starting with a favorite, dark chocolate. Studies show that dark chocolate can increase the production of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals. It's also rich in magnesium, which helps reduce anxiety. Just make sure to go for 70% cocoa or higher to get the benefits. A little square after lunch, yes please. Next up, we have fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are super important for brain health. Omega-3s have been linked to lower rates of depression and improved mood. Aim for at least 2 servings a week and your brain will thank you. Bananas are another mood booster. They're a great source of vitamin B6, which helps the body produce serotonin, the happy hormone. Plus, the natural sugars in bananas give you a quick energy boost. Feeling a little sluggish or grumpy? Grab a banana. Berries are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which are known to fight inflammation and protect the brain. They also help regulate blood sugar, preventing those energy crashes that can leave you feeling irritable. Whether it's in your morning smoothie or as a snack, berries are a sweet way to a happier you.